Welcome back to Outdoor Skills Made Easy. Today we're making a delicious enchilada casserole, and it's going to take about an hour between your prep time and your cooking time before you can serve it up. So basically what we're going to do is we'll make the enchilada, I call it sauce, but it's your chilies and all your flavorings. We'll dip our tortillas in that, move that to the Dutch oven. So we're going to use a cast iron skillet to put our sauce together. Then you'll need your Dutch oven. We're going to use a 10-inch oven today, and it's super easy to do and very delicious. We need to start by cooking 1 pound of ground beef and about a medium onion, which we'll chop up. We'll cook that together. Let's go. So we'll just start with the ground beef here. Slide that out of the sleeve. We've started chopping some onion, and we've got way more than we need. So we'll just take out the amount that we like. Okay, let's go to the fire. So we're actually going to use the chimney, put our pan on, and we'll brown our meat and get the onions going here. Now that the hamburger and the onions are ready, we'll add our tomato sauce, our enchilada sauce, and our green chilies. Our enchilada sauce, put in our tomato sauce. We'll stir that up and let it simmer for a few minutes. Actually, that smells wonderful right now. And you can add your garlic powder and chili powder just to taste, however much you like. That looks good to me. The next part of the process is just to get some of the tortillas, lay them in our Dutch oven, layer them with some of the sauce that we've got simmering, and then put some sour cream, which I've put in a baggie, and the cheese that I've already grated and got that ready. So I'm just going to cut the edge off of this baggie, and we'll just use that rather than try and scoop some sour cream onto each layer. So we're going to start by just putting some tortillas down in our mixture, getting them coated a little bit, and we'll start our first layer. I think I'll add one more there. Do whatever works for you. And we'll just add a little layer of our mixture. Add a little cheese on the top. Squirt a little sour cream in there. And we will repeat that process. Cheese. Add a few more briquettes to the top. Okay, cook for about 40 minutes, and then we will enjoy it. And we're ready to go. We're done cooking, and it's time to check it out. Oh, look how nice that is. Wow, that looks terrific. The cheese is all melted down. You can see some of the hamburger bubbling up through. It's time to get the plate, and let's eat. We'll just plate that up. Oh, that looks absolutely delicious. Time to take it over to the table and garnish it with our favorite toppings. Avocado, got some tomatoes there, put on some olives. Oh, knocked everything off already. A little bit of lettuce from the garden, thank you Liz. And we'll add some salsa. Time to dig in. This is like a gourmet meal that you can make anywhere. Give it a little taste. That is great. All of the flavors are coming through. The enchilada sauce, the salsas, all the different things. This is truly a great meal. Thank you for the gift of your time watching our videos. We hope that you've learned something new, and we hope that you'll try this with your own family. And we hope that you'll join us again at OSME TV.